So what is Atma? The state of Atma is where there is no sense of difference, there is no sense of separateness, the vision of unity through diversity, through multiplicity. This vision comes about. And I said this before also, just like you experience all the various limbs of your body, each limb, each part of your body has a different name, but your experience is I. When this can be experienced ad infinitum throughout the creation, that behind every finger I am, behind every body I am, not only this hand, every hand is, through every hand I am experiencing. This is the consequence. Don't start concentrating on outside, it will never happen. The journey is always inside out, not outside in. The qualifications of a guru are stated in Mundaka Upanishad. Tad vijnanartham sa guru meva bhigachet samit pani shrotriyam brahmanishtham. Who is tad vijnanartham sa guru meva bhigachet? The teacher who is well versed in the scriptures as well as having realized the self, he alone is a qualified guru. Who is this guru? He should have studied the scriptures, he should have practiced what is given in the scriptures in his daily life. Now, so scriptures say that you do 36 malas of japa every day. Which scripture? That scripture we are not talking about. Oh, the scripture said that you have to do pranayam every morning. That scripture also we are not talking about. Here we are studying Vedanta. And what is this scripture telling us? What is Vedanta telling us? You are that which you are seeking. So what is the teacher's job? How will the teacher be able to explain? When you go to a school, you must have experienced this. When the teacher is teaching something and some smart bum in the class comes up with some unique question and the teacher is unable to answer. What happens? Khilli uda dete uski. Isn't it? How will you have respect for a teacher who, if the teacher says, I will find out tomorrow and the solution will be there, you have respect for the teacher. But some teachers I know, they used to say, हाँ हाँ ठीक है, फालतू में, you being smart or what? पटाक आके देता था. वो तो not with hand, they used to hit with the ruler. So next time you are being discouraged from asking the question. Why? Because that fellow doesn't know the answer. So he is bringing out his frustration on us. Not that of teacher. A true teacher, a guru, is a person who is able to calm your mind, whatever you come up with. And calming the mind is only one way. Bring you back to the self. If you have read Raman Maharishi's book, every person who came to him, he always, who is asking this question? Only one. Swamiji, I experience. Who is the experiencer? I am. Find out who this I am. He always brought you back to yourself. Nisargadatta Maharaj used to say, she is reading Nisargadatta. If he has someone, Swamiji, but wahan pe to temple is this happen. He says, in my shop I don't sell all this. You go to that satsang shop where they talk about pujas and japa and the various rules and regulations by which you have to live life. In my shop only the self is sold. Only self is talked about. That's the only topic. And there have been cases, if 15 days he tests you, whether you know or you don't know. If you have not got the gist of what the main, the topic of Vedanta, then he said don't, because it was a very cramped room like this. He said don't occupy space. You have had 15-20 days, it's enough. You can't catch it, you will never catch it. Go out from here. Allow other people to come who may be able to understand. That ruthless also. Why? Only talks about the self. Only I am that. Unlike Parshuram, I can say Nisargadatta Maharaj was a great person. He only once went to the teacher. Why? His friend took him. And his friend, and he listened to, you are that. After the lecture was over, he went and asked the sannyasi, what did you mean by I am that? He says, you are that. He said, please explain me what I have to do. In 10-15 minutes, he explained to him. He came back home. Within 15 days, he transferred his 3 shops to his son. He says, son, you stop your school, you take care of the shops now. You'll enjoy and run the shops with responsibility. Enough of studies. And what are you doing? He locked himself up in a room, contemplating on what the teacher had told him. And within 2 years came to the conclusion. Would it have been possible without the words of that teacher? Without the words of the teacher, would it have been possible? Swamiji, we are even, हम भी क्या कहते हैं, कच्चे गुरु के चेले नहीं हैं. We will also prove that we can't get there by holding on to the world. As much as you may want to take our mind to the self, remind us of the self, we'll hold on, we'll hold on, we'll hold on. The world is real. As long as this importance to the world is given, no lasting peace can ever be attained by any individual. One person passed away few months ago, and in their house they called me, Swamiji, can you come and, that 12 days is there. Can you give a talk for us? I went to Rajal's place, and there the topic was lasting peace. So for 8 days I talked on lasting peace. Lasting peace is to abide in, only when you abide in yourself. And there his wife, the person who passed away, his wife was there. I know them for many years now, 15 years. And she was sitting there, and after that they were feeding me on the last day. She is like a great grandmother. She is now 84 or something. After the satsang, I went and touched her feet, and she said, no, please don't do that. I said, no. I sat at her feet. I was holding her hand. I said, Amma, and she looked at me, and I started crying out of joy, because the love in her eyes was incomparable. Only in some masters I have seen those eyes. And we're just locked. And so, Amma, I can see the grace flowing. Just these words came out. She says, I said, Maja aa raha hai na, Amma? So she says, Swamiji, maja kya? जब उसकी मर्जी होती है मजा देता है, जब उसकी मर्जी होती है सब कुछ तो उसकी मर्जी है. मैं तो सिर्फ इस आनंद का आनंद ले रही हूं कि उसकी कृपा मेरे ऊपर है. And the tears started flowing. But in that moment of communion, nothing else needed to be said. In Hindi I said, in English it is that I asked her, you are enjoying, Amma, in the bliss? So she says, what bliss? I cannot create that bliss. I cannot enjoy it. It is His grace. I am merely the observer of that bliss. In that observing that He is gracing me with that bliss, everything is. That kritakrityata, that gratefulness that the Lord has chosen us. See, people want to remember the name of the Lord. I'm not talking bad about japa or anything. Those are good techniques to make your mind single pointed. People want to chant the name of the Lord. They are not able to hold on. It is only by the grace of the Lord that the name of the Lord remains in our mind continuously.